Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is some box or multiplication the box method, or sometimes called the lattice method. All right, so if you were to do a little long multiplication here, it would be kind of long and tedious. So to do lattice, what you want to do is you want to take the top number, and you could give yourself a little bit more space. Let me do that. I'm going to give myself a little bit more space. 8, 3, 6. And then downwards, we're going to put 5, 1, 7. And now you want to set up boxes, a little grid. And then you also want to set up diagonals, so like this, all the way across, just like that. And then what you do next is you multiply. So 6 times 5 is 30. We'll do that. We'll go down. 6 times 1 is 6, so it'll be 0, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. 3 times 5 is 15. Going down, that's 0, 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Now we're going to do 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1, 0, and 8. Always put the 10s there and the 1s place there in the bottom corner. And then 8 times 7, which is 56. Now what you're going to do is add the diagonals. And what I'm going to do instead of carry is I'm going to underline. So you'll add, so this would be 2. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Carry the 1. I'm just going to add these, so it's 0, 0, 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry another 1. This would be 3 plus 5, which is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. That's 1. And then 16 plus 5 is 21. This would be 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1, and then 4. Since I carried these are all my carries. So my final answer, just go around, which would be 4. 1 plus 1 plus another 1 is 3. So that's 3, 2, 2, 1, 12. And that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me. It's jdmathguy@gmail.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.